VitalPBX is an innovative, unified communications PBX system that delivers a modern customer experience. It provides an intuitive interface and powerful features that help businesses boost productivity. Combined with our Sonata suite, it really is the perfect solution for call centers that need a reliable and feature-rich platform to manage their interactions. Sonata suite makes it easy to handle significant call volumes while providing excellent customer service. Discover in this video how the different features of Sonata Suite can help you take your call center to levels you've never seen before. Sonata Stats improves decision-making by giving insights and statistics to your call center procedures. It offers a wide range of features and tools, making it easy to manage customer interactions and improve communication. It really is the perfect tool for call centers that want to measure the performance of their queues and their agents. You can track call wait times, average handle time, and more with powerful reporting features. Also, you can see how your agents perform by sorting data by agent or by queue. You can enhance your contact center operations and provide better customer service using Sonata Stats. Sonata Suite is a must-have for all call centers and carriers. It'll boost your customer service, agent productivity, and more. So if you're seeking the best possible software solution, well, Sonata Suite is the obvious choice. Try Sonata Suite on your VitalPBX installation today.